I got a new one yesterday. And there's the same one. Assalamualaikum friends! Welcome back to my channel, and today we will be making blueberry pancakes. Here's the ingredients we will need. So let's get started. First of all, we'll need 1 cup of flour. Now we'll need 2 tablespoons of baking powder. Next, we'll need 4 tablespoons of sugar. Now we'll need a pinch of salt, break in an egg, 2 tablespoons of oil, and 1 cup of milk. Now mix it well. Of course, we'll need blueberries. Fold up. Our pancake batter is done. Now we will fry our pancakes on medium heat. Flip your pancake once you see bubbles. This one got a bit overcooked, but it'll do. For the topping, we'll need whipping cream. I'm going to put whipping cream on each pancake. Time for a taste test. It's delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Bye!